Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. On behalf of IQAC of Dr. D.Y. Patil Pratishthan's Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Pharmacy, Akurdi, Pune, I, Dr. Vaibhav Vaidya, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, extend a very warm welcome to all the participants joining us today. This webinar is being organized in association with Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India (APTI) as part of National Webinar Series on Regulatory Affairs, Day 4. scheduled on 9th May 2026 from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. We are delighted to see such an enthusiastic response from academicians, researchers, and students across the country. Instructions for participants. Before we proceed, I would like to share a few important instructions. Kindly keep your microphones muted throughout the session to avoid background disturbances. Participants are requested to rename themselves with full name and institution for proper identification. You may post your questions in chat box during the session. We will take them up during question and answer session. Please ensure a stable internet connection for uninterrupted participation. The session is being recorded for academic purpose. Moving further, I would like to I would like to acknowledge the coordination team for guidance and support of this webinar series. Coordinators Ms. Pallavi Gosavi, Ms. Kalyani Tande, co-convener of this program Dr. Shilpa Chaudhary, Vice Principal, convener of the program Dr. M. Sahare, Principal Dr. T.Y. Patil College of Pharmacy. We sincerely thank them for this continuous support and efforts in organizing this event. I take this privilege to introduce today's distinguished speaker, Mrs. Smita Walzade. She has completed her M Pharmacy from Bombay College of Pharmacy and currently working as a regulatory affairs specialist, global market at Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Hyderabad. She has 8 years of vast experience in the regulatory domain. Her area of expertise includes author and compile RACMC dossier for complex formulations, priority review ANDA with pre-facility correspondence, and product with competitive generic therapy exclusivity. She has played pivotal role in driving immunogenicity studies for peptide products. She also involved in preparation and submission of controlled correspondences, pre-IND packages, pre-AND packages, and bio-IND packages. Today, our guest is delivering a session on drug regulatory affairs, career and industry expectations, and how to build career in regulatory affairs. With this brief introduction, I request Mrs. Smita Walzade to kindly take over the session and guide us with her experience and expertise. Thank you. Over to ma'am.
Thank you, Vaibhav sir. Hi, good morning, all of you. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yeah. I'm Smita. I'm working in Dr. Reddy's since last 8 years. I got campus place from Dr. Reddy's in Regulatory Affairs Department. So since my day one, I'm working in Regulatory Affairs only. I just wanted to know the student from the student that are they from B Farm, M Farm? How is it? And what they're looking for from this session? Anybody can speak up. So this is the first requirement to be in RA. You should speak more because you have to drive your company's product to FDA, to Health Canada, to EMEA. So becoming an RA expert, you should be able to speak up first of all. Let me know if my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am, your screen is visible.
Okay. Is the PPTs are visible?
Yes.
Okay. So okay, let's start with our session. So what do you think? What is RA? What RA do in industry, pharmaceutical industry? Anybody has any idea on that? Anyone can speak. So I want this session to be more interactive so that you people, when you want to come in regulatory affairs or maybe in pharma industry, you should be able to put your point. That is the first requirement of any industry. No, nobody. Okay, so let me explain you people what is regulatory affairs department is. So basically, regulatory affairs is like your legal advisor towards your company, which convey agencies, health agencies requirement to the company to develop any of the product, give the strategy, what kind of product you are doing, what kind of product is agency is expecting, what is the regulations agency has for that particular product, what checklist you should be performing while developing that particular product. Till the filing, then approval, until commercial, regulatory is always involved in every process of your pharmaceutical industry. So it's basically a bridge between government of any of the company which is related to health. Like in India, it is CDSO. In US, it is US FDA. So we, as an RA expert, we will be interacting with the health authorities of particular country where we are filing the product. I hope this is clear. Okay. So, is anybody know what is innovator drug and what is generic drug? Do anybody have any idea on this? No. Okay. So, yeah, at least let me know if you are comfortable in English or you want it in the Marathi, both, or maybe Hindi. Anything will work. Vaibhav, so is it comfortable in Marathi? Maybe.
Ma'am, you can go with combination English Marathi.
Okay, fine. Okay, so these logos, anybody know what is these logos are? Which companies are these? Sanofi, Novartis. What is Hikma, Cipla, Teva? Okay, let me explain. Novartis, Lilly, Sanofi, AstraZeneca. These are innovator companies. Innovator meaning branded drug. They will conduct their own clinical, non-clinical, preclinical studies, and they will bring some new molecule in the market, and they will set their own price for that particular product because they have already spent so much amount on that product to get it in the market. So they will set their price very high. So I think everybody is aware of Hatch-Waxman Act. Post that, generics got introduced in the pharmaceutical market. So what is generic? Basically, it is similar to the innovator product. It's like bioequivalent to the innovator product. So we, as an generic company, we develop bioequivalent products towards the innovator. So just keep in mind that these are the innovator companies likewise, and these are the generic companies. So here the same thing has mentioned what is bioequivalence, like it should be having same active ingredient, route of administration, dosage form, strength and condition. You must be aware of this. So this is example of a generic and innovator. In COVID, we had Dolo 650, and there is paracetamol also. So there is a difference between the price of both the products. One is branded, one is generic. Okay. So coming to our main topic. So first question is what attracts you to be an regulatory affairs expert? So anyone can tell me that do you find regulatory exciting? It is something which excites you as in जेव्हा तुम्हाला आता बाहेर यायचंय बी फार्म करून एम फार्म करून त्यानंतर तुम्हाला जेव्हा फार्मास्युटिकल इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये यायचंय तर यू शुड बी क्लिअर की विच डिपार्टमेंट यू वॉन्ट टू गो इन what department you want to be in, like FRD is there, analytical is there, clinical is there, IPM is there, and then regulatory affair, of course. So basically, regulatory affairs is like a documentation kind of thing. You have to be always in a document and always reviewing things, doing literature review, drafting the sections kind of thing is involved in regulatory affairs. It's like more like doing literature research rather than working in labs. So in this session, we will see what skill we required to be in our regulatory affairs and what is the recent technology which are ongoing in regulatory affairs. Okay, so I am hoping that you people are aware of these regulatory bodies of particular countries. Like for India, it is CDSO, United States, it is Food Drug Administration, Europe, it is EMEA, like European Medicine Agency, Health Canada is there, TGA is there, and PMDA is there. So basically, you should, I just hope that you should be aware of how the sites looks like. So here it is link of the particular site. This is how our CDSO site look like. So here you can find any product, any medicine. You can type it here and put in search window. It will give you all kind of medicines which are there for that particular product, whether it is branded or generic. You can search it on this website. Here you can find all the modules, biologics, cosmetic, medicinal devices, and all that. It is there. So go on this site and check whether you will be able to search this medicine or how it is. Fine. Then there is this US FDA. Somehow it is not opening. Okay, just give me a minute. So before coming to regulatory affairs, you please visit this site, how it looks like, how the search is, how we should search the medicines there. At least get familiar with this site, how to search medicines, how it looks like, what is FDA site is there, how FDA site is operating, what is Orange Book. It is there in your book also. Likewise, there is this sites of all the health authorities where we go and search the medicines like RLD will be there, reference listed drug for United States. Any information related to RLD will be available on this FDA site, Food Drug Administration site. From that site only, we will take the literature for our development purpose. For basically developing any product, what start with is first a proposal will come that this particular drug we have to check, and this is the formulation of the product like solution or maybe anything, injection, OSD product, anything. So that around that, what RA profession is do, we do search on the available all these websites, what literature is there, like labels of the that particular product, then any literature is available with respect to that product which is approved by the particular agency. We have to go through all that literature to see what quality parameters they have tested, what the requirement they have given to agency while doing their approval process. Based on that, we should give recommendation to our company front, like FRD people and analytical persons. So that information when you give to them, they will be able to like